ka All India Trinamool Congress habakan tho alor ka jingjia huri hura ha Phulbari bat ka badangshan ha Umroi ha ka balakan no baka kurim MLA uba George Lingdo ubadeiru ukurtong ka parti hi ka PYni ya ka jingbamdan ka jingshngaiñ ha ka jalla haba crunch kelat pathai kubor ka arpulai tarik urempang arjar pulai ka mahwa moitra ka MP Shakalok Sabha uba Charles Pinggrup President ka AITC Meghalaya nalor umanas arbuniau Secretary badai pej ka jilla Meghalaya kila kenno ba ka NPP kamsham lala bantek lakam ya ka jingshngaiñ bat pendam ru halor ka jingshah takti ka kurim MLA.
I'm unable to understand if the TMC worker or the family of the TMC worker is at home and somebody is playing loud music, you're calling the police, nobody is coming back, the lady goes out, she is manhandled. How is this the TMC's way of doing things? The NPP controls law and order in the state. It is the NPP that is in power here. The TMC is fighting elections. It is their leadership and their workers that are getting harassed and attacked. So I don't see how it is that is the fault clearly lies with the law and order and with the cadre of the NPP who are indulging in this.
And you must not forget that the victim was the wife of the sitting legislator.
Correct.
It is a total the law and order. Where is law and order? When a lady member is attacked, forget being the wife of a legislator, an ordinary person also for that matter. You cannot categorize between TMC and NPP at this time. You must go down to what actually happened and say that catch the culprit. And don't go into politics in here. But she being the wife of the legislator of the TMC, it spells a very sad news where the district administration should have been immediately on the job. In fact, they took them asked to even register the FIR.
BJP promises to empower the people of Meghalaya by implementing the 7 Pay Commission for all government employees and formulating an anti-corruption task force. This 27th February, vote for a stronger BJP for a stronger Meghalaya.
Ka Meghalaya TMC kawan ra shapi ya ka maikan anda ka TMC kan thau sarkar ka Meghalaya TMC kan pinmi lailak teli ki kam hapo kini kisan sinem manwan barkum juru ban ai jingera pisa ka belong 1000 tika si benai kata khat 1000 tika si sinem ka barok ki samla ki bampat dan ni ka kam ka jam
hakane ka ap nyau trek urempang jan ya ka sap jong phi haki artli ki sentio bat kershan ya ka Meghalaya TMC.
Congress's commitment to Meghalaya, empowering the women of Meghalaya. 3,000 rupees every month to every single BPL mother in Meghalaya.
5 commitments na kaseng Congress na kabinta ka